Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different here. We're going to try putting on a cream contour and concealer before our foundation. A lot of professional makeup artists do this. I know I've seen Scott Barnes does something like this. He did it on Tati's channel a while back. By the way, I so miss Tati. Let me know if you do too in the comments below. I am anxiously awaiting her return here to YouTube. I've seen Scott Barnes do it, Hrush has done it, and I'm sure there's several others, and their makeup looks fabulous when they do it. So I thought, why not give it a try? If you want to see how it turns out when I try it for the first time, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I've already did my normal skincare routine and applied some primer. The first thing that we're going to do is put our concealer on first. Like I said, this is a little backwards from most of our norms, so instead of doing the foundation, then the concealer and contour and everything else, we're going to do the concealer as our first step. And when Scott Barnes did Tati's, he did quite a bit of concealer. I'm going to put a little more than I normally do, but not quite as much as he did. To blend it, I'm going to do something else that's also different for me. I'm going to use a brush. This one is by Complex Culture, their Precision Concealer Brush. Just because he used brushes when he did that, and he just kind of blended the concealer down. What he was doing by feathering it down here. Put it over our eyelids here. And just blend the chin. Just blending the top of the line there just so it's not as harsh as it was. I think that's pretty good for that step. And then for the bronzer, I have the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. I'm going to use the shade Amber I have in that. And the whole cream contour thing is new for me, so just trying to do what I remember from the video. See how things go. I'm just going to go ahead and take this here where we normally would contour. He puts a good amount. I'm gonna, maybe that much, I don't know, we'll see. We're going to do the forehead, but we'll hold off on that until we're done with the rest. For this part, I'm going to use the Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. I'm going to blend this up. actually blends really nice. And this I'm going to kind of blend circular motions downwards. I look like good how they did that. Gotta contour the fab head. Try to get it more into the hairline here. And on the nose, we're going to put just 2 little lines. Then for that, I have this small Fenty Beauty concealer brush or contour brush. Not sure what she calls it. Contour and concealer brush. And just kind of blend that here. Also takes it around the lips, which is something I've never done, but I have seen others do it. Like Hrush does this type of technique too, and her lips always look great. So we're going to give it a go today. And he didn't blend that out like all the way, so I'm just gonna tap in over it. Just a little more, just because I feel like he used quite a bit. Just in that area at least, and maybe a little more here. He seemed to take it down quite a bit here. Had that concealer and the contour or bronzer down, went ahead and did foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, just using my normal Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. And I'm going to use a sponge just because that's how I normally apply it, although he used a brush. Of course, you can do it however you want. Makeup is makeup. Then you want to try to avoid those contoured spots from what I gathered. But I just didn't do that. Kind of got it on there a little. Just lightly tap it on the nose. Just the foundation over the lips. just lightly with the residual, but not actual foundation to cover it per se. I do like the little contour it gave there. Alright, so now we're going to set everything with powder. Use just my normal Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. So that part's done, guys. You can see, you still see the nice contour here we have going on, and no need for additional concealer. Everything looks good so far. I didn't have problems with like applying the foundation or anything. It didn't settle weird or anything, which I was kind of worried about it getting really cakey due to the concealer being underneath, but that didn't happen. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my normal bronzer, blush, highlight, throw on some eyeshadow, the lip and everything, and we'll see how it all comes together at the end. Alright guys, here is what this routine looks like after everything's all put together. I think I do really like this. I think that the concealer is just a little more hidden. You don't have such a stark line as you can get sometime between the concealer and foundation, because most of us use concealer that's a little bit lighter than our foundation to highlight. And it's not as drastic with this, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I just like how it looks overall. I did do my normal powder, bronzer, blush, highlight because that's just what I normally do. I know that a lot of people when they do this type of routine use all creams, but I don't even have a cream blush because usually when I get them I give them away in a giveaway or as a gift. But overall I think I will be doing this again. I do like how the contour is more blended and looks a little more natural because of it being cream, I guess, and then the foundation we put over it a little bit, and it just looks better in my opinion. Let me know down below if you've tried this and what your thoughts are, or if you have a routine that's a little different than most, and I may give it a try. And let me know what you think, if you like this routine better than my normal all powder routine that I typically do, because usually I'll just do my foundation, then my concealer, and then powder, contour, bronzer, highlight, and blush. But this time our contour is cream and we put our concealer before the foundation, so it's a little bit different. But like I said, I will definitely be doing it again. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys.